Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to talk to you about the University of Miami Supplement. University of Miami applicants are asked to respond to one essay question in 250 words. And that question reads, the University of Miami's official mascot is the ibis. Folklore maintains that the native marsh bird is the last to take shelter before a hurricane hits and the first to emerge once the storm passes, making it an apt symbol of courage and resilience. Considering your ability to control your own motivation and behavior, how have past experiences helped build your courage and resilience to persist in the face of academic and life challenges so that once these storms pass, you can emerge in continued pursuit of your goals? 250 words max. This is very complicated wording for what ultimately isn't such a complicated question. Ultimately, what U of Miami is asking you is to talk about a time you overcame a challenge or where you showcased extraordinary resilience. This is not surprising given that in your 4 years of college, you will likely face hurdles you'll need to overcome. The obstacles you can choose to explore can vary widely in nature. They can be as serious as losing a loved one to COVID, as ingrained as the financial issues that have plagued your family for years, or as pedestrian as a mistake that lost you a tip while serving burgers. What you're trying to communicate is that you are a person who can rebound from challenges and experiences that don't go exactly the way you're expecting they'll go. Can you turn any experience, good or bad, into something worth learning from? And can you lead in the face of challenges? Are you going to be the first bird out in the world waiting to explore with some sense of bravery?